Hello everyone, our use case is about fraud claim detection and our team members are Hirtik, Hariniye, Janani, Abhilash, Abhinav and Vinod Kumar. And our internal mentor is Mrs. Roslyn ma'am and CTS mentors are Mrs. Deepa Lakshmi ma'am and Mr. Utsav sir. So let's start it to explain our presentation. Our problem statement is about the we are using AI to detect the fraud that occurred in healthcare sector in healthcare insurance when when a person is uploading all his patient documents to in order to claim insurance money, we have to check whether the documents are original or not, or that belongs to the original patient or not. In that, we have using dual portal system. One is for the user and the hospital login side, and another one is for user insurance side. And we are using ensemble learning method and NLP. We are using OCR and also extracting the text from the image and uploading it to our model. The main thing is we are directly collecting the data from the patient and using it to detect the fraud detection. And the fraud detection is mainly used to perform to verify whether for example, and kidney report, we are using an MRI scan. In MRI scan, we are going to detect whether the actual kidney report has a kidney tumor or not. For that, we are going to use machine learning models and incorporating the ensemble learning in it. The next slide will be continued by Janani.
Hello, I'm Jayani. I'm going to explain you the traditional methods which had been used in the fraud claim detection. First, these fraud claim detection has a vital role in the environment. So it has some existing method to evaluate whether a insurance claiming process is a fraud or they are claiming it for a purpose. So it is mainly of three types: manual auditing, rule based, and whistleblower. First, manual auditing. Manual auditing is mainly for is basically on the human auditors. So the human are used to verify the documents by themselves. So it expense labor cost, time consumptions, and etc. Next is the rule based. The rule based is also known as predefined rules. So based on the predefined rules, these a set of conditions will be provided by the system. So based on that, the system will use to execute the solutions, and they are uh, denoted as a red flag. So it will trigger a red flag if a pattern or a document uh, mismatches the set of rules which is being predefined. So this is not matchable. This is not matched for complex problem so far. So later they have introduced a whistleblower report that is used as an another traditional method, which is used to supervise activities are reported even internally and externally. This is mainly used for lack of efficiency. This is used to overcome the lack of efficiency in the both previous two models. So these are the traditional model. So to overcome these drawbacks, so we have introduced a AI driven fraud detection system. Next is the solution.
Hello everyone. Myself, I will be explaining the solution of our project. So, the solution starts from integrating approaches, real-time notification, and enhanced. When talking about integrated portals, we are providing two types of portal in our project, such as hospital portal and insurance portal. The integration process of this both portal makes the client solution process smoother and more. By integrating both portals, hospital and insurance company can communicate better, which reduces paperwork and manual errors, leading to quicker claim followed by automated verification. Automated verification process is done using NLP models and machine learning languages. This helps to cross verify and double check every records, and it enhances the accuracy of the result. The automated verification process also helps in saving time, which reduces the time consumed by reducing saving. The next solution of our project is real-time notification. The system sends notifications for any updates or changes in the claim processing. As soon as there is an error or there is a false document submitted, there will be a notification sent to process the document properly. It also helps managing queue efficiently, prioritizing urgent cases, and ensuring fast claim flows. The benefits of real-time notifications keep all patients informed, speeding up their entire process and reducing delay. The final solution of our project is enhanced security. The system uses data encryption to provide sensitive information and include audits to track all activities. The benefits of enhanced security reduces the risk of the data, the risk of the data which is because of user is having cost and it's not destroyed. These four are the main solutions of our project. Next topic will be
Hello everyone, I am Hrithik and I will be explaining the implementation of our project. The first implementation of our project is website building. So we have built a good web application for this insurance portal, policy, fraud claim detection website. So we have created two portals. One is for the hospital portal and another one is for the insurance portal. In the hospital portal, the medical users or the patient will be uploading their personal data and their medical data. So this data will be sent to the insurance portal as a request. After requesting the insurance portal, they will be detecting the fraud claim or original claim by using these data. Again, the insurance portal will be sending a request to the hospital portal in order to send the medical documents and the other documents in order to check whether the insurance claim is fraud or not. So by using these portals, they can able to get whether the patient is claiming the insurance by fraud or not. And the third implementation is NLP and DN model. We have used a machine learning model in order to verify the report provided by the patient. So we have built a machine learning model where it will be used for the verification of the report provided by the patients. And we have also created a DL model. Here, the DL model is used for verifying the CT scans provided by the patients in the hospital portal. So these are the models used by the insurance portal in order to check whether the reports and the scans provided by the patient is fraud or not. We have used the NLP domain in the machine learning and the deep learning model in order to extract the required data from the reports and scans. And the fourth implementation of our project is prescription verification. So after verifying the report and CT scan of the patients, we will be verifying the prescription provided by the patients is fraud or not. In this model, we will be extracting the medicines provided in the prescriptions. By extracting the required data, we can conclude that whether the prescription provided by the doctors is fraud or not. And the fifth implementation is Node.js integration. We have used Node.js application for data storage and authentication. So the data provided by the hospital is authenticated by the insurance portal, and the insurance portal provided data will be verified by the hospital portals. So by integrating the Node.js, we can able to store the data secured and can able to authenticate the required data. So what are the features? The features will be explained by our friend Vinod Kumar.
Good evening, everyone. I am Abhilash. I'll be happy to explain these features for what appears to be a healthcare information system. So let me break down this feature. So the first feature is hospital portal. This feature provides access to patient personal and medical data and documents. It likely serves as a centralized platform for healthcare providers to view and manage patient information efficiently. So the second feature is insurance portal. This portal is designed to check patient data for fraud detection and verification. It likely interfaces with insurance companies, allowing them to verify claims and detect potential fraudulent activities by cross-referencing patient data. And the third feature is ML model. This involves building an machine learning model specifically for report verification, and it could automate the process of checking medical reports for accuracy, completeness, or potential anomalies, enhancing the reliability of medical documentation. And the fourth feature is DL model. This involves building a deep learning model for scan verification. It could be used to analyze medical imaging scans with the MRI and CT scans to assist in diagnosis or to verify the quality and accuracy of the scan. And the fifth feature is LLM integration. This feature uses advanced natural language processing to extract and verify acquired data from provided documents. It could streamline the process of inputting information from various medical documents into the system and reducing manual data entry and potential errors. Lastly, the sixth feature stands for data security. This feature focuses on keeping both hospital and insurance data in a secure database. It, it's crucial for maintaining patients' privacy and compiling with healthcare data protection regulations. These are the features about this.
Hello all, myself Vinod Kumar. I'm going to explain about the technologies which are used in our project. Firstly, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which are used for develop website. These technologies are used to create the user interface of the fraud detection system. The website could feature a dashboard for users to upload claims, view analysis results, and interact with the system. Then secondly, we have used Python for machine learning and deep learning models. Python is used to develop and train ML and DL models that analyze claims data to detect potential fraud. It is used to train using historical claim data to classify incoming claims as fraudulent or non-fraudulent. Then LLM, which is used for extracting required data. It can be used to extract and process unstructured data from various sources such as claim descriptions, customer emails, or social media. In this, the extracting key information from large textual data sets to identify potential indicators of fraud. Then we have used Node.js, which is for database storage. Node.js is utilized for server-side scripting, enabling the backend to handle requests, interact with database, and manage data storage efficiently. The storage claiming the records, model predictions, and user interaction data in a database which can be accessed or updated in real time. Then finally, we have used Flask, which is for ML and DL model deployment. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework used to deploy ML and DL models as web services. By using this, we can deploying a training fraud detection model so that it can receive new claims via an API, process them, and return a prediction on their likelihood of being fraudulent. So these are the technologies we have used in this project.
I would like to conclude with the result and conclusion of a project. Since we are using and developing an advanced AI and machine learning model, it can able to detect the outliers and anomalies from the reports and the documents provided by the patients. So thus concluding that it can able to provide the better accuracy from the data provided by the patients. And the next, it reduces the fraud by reducing the complexity and providing more accuracy from the models. So it leads to saving more money and building trust in the insurance process while providing clear reports for better decision making. Lastly, we have created a better user-friendly interface that works by the smoothly for all the users in both the insurance and hospital portals. Thank you.